promises be.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is a new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman, then pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no, ma'am. But you can do the job when you're in town. Later on, we'll conspire as we dream by the fire, to face unafraid the plans that we made, walking in a winter wonderland. Are you listening? Snow is glistening, a beautiful sight. We're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman, then pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no, man. You can do the job when you're in town. Later on, we'll conspire as we dream by the fire, to face unafraid the plans that we made, walking in a winter wonderland.
I love the winter weather, so the two of us can get together. There's nothing sweeter, finer, when it's nice and cold. I can hold my baby closer to me and collect the kisses that are due me. I love the winter weather because I got my love to keep me warm. I love the winter weather, so the two of us can get together. There's nothing sweeter, finer, when it's colder than cold. I can hold my baby closer to me and collect the kisses that are due me. I love the winter weather because I got my love to keep me warm. Take the summer, you can have a ball. I like the springtime, even the fall, but I guess I like the winter best of all.
You're all I want for Christmas, all I want my whole life through. Each day is just like Christmas. Anytime that I'm with you, you're all I want for Christmas. And if all my dreams come true, stocking filled with you. You're all I want for Christmas. All I want my whole life through. Each day is just like Christmas. Anytime that I'm with you. You're all I want for Christmas. And if all my dreams come true, then I'll awake on Christmas morning and find my stocking filled with you. And find my stocking filled with you.
I love those Jingle bells. Oh, those holiday Jingle bells. Oh, those happy Jingle-bells. I love those Jingle bells. Oh.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way.
Bells on bobtail ring, making our spirits bright.
What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I love those Jingle bells. Those holiday Jingle bells.
Those happy Jingle-bells. I love those jingle bells all the way. Jingle all the way. Oh, come let us adore Him, Christ, Christ the Lord. Oh, come all ye
All right, what's the deal, gang? Sorry, we had to restart. I don't know why my mic wasn't working, volume wasn't working, and it's Christmas and there's craziness in the house. Yeah, it is what it is. Top one sent me the live account. This is it. DOF pre-live account. I don't know what fucking difference is. Pre-live, live. I don't know what it is, but that's what they sent me. Oh, Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and a happy. Yo, Santa, need pips? What's good? Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Yeah, I feel you.
Merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and
Merry Christmas. Anyway, let's get into it. Let's get into the session. We've held this resistance across the board multiple times over a span of a couple of days, and we've done the same thing with this support. Are we breaking out now? I don't think so. I think we're gonna break out and end up right back in this range. Just like all of these candles have attempted to break out and end up back in that range. But we shall see. We shall see what happens. Right now, we had NYC open, volume came in, brought us down. It actually bounced off this level, came up, and then brought us down. And it's a good level, but for NYC open, if I'm being realistic, I see that heavy push NYC open. I do not take this limit order until that volume dies down a bit or the support actually holds, and then we can look for following candle to go up. But this is tough. Look at this tough range. This is a 4-hour range. Look at this shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 4-hour candles. 40 hours. Almost 2 days in here. I've seen people get aggressive and take wins, but not for me. Yeah, you can get really aggressive in here. And yeah, probably 4 out of the 5 times you'll win. But the time you lose is going to be a big loss. You want to get really aggressive in here. Minus 12K on what? Did you get aggressive in here? Oh, you got really aggressive. Tried to fight the bears, and the bears won. So we have an hourly closure. We're breaking down here. It really, it's a possibility we have positions here on the next hourly. It really depends on how we close here and how we open up. Are we going to have enough wick? Are we going to close below all the levels, right? Smaller time frame, bigger time frame. So we probably want to close below 4,500. We probably want wicks into 4,505. And we want a low to be established before re-breaking it. Remember, this is the good thing about this candle. This is the last candle of the 4-hour. And if it's the last candle of the 4-hour and it's closing below, that means you have the 4-hour, the hour, the 30, the 15, all closing below. Right, because the 4-hour is a closure on every other time frame as well. Breaking down 2 ounces while listening to Wixdom. All right, I'm gonna have to join you. We got 10 minutes. Well, we got 7 minutes, 7.5 minutes here for the new hourly. I'm gonna wait for this to open up. Merry Christmas. like this part.
All is calm, all is bright.
This is the best part right here.
Down yon virgin mother and child.
Banger. Absolute banger.
Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace.
What a banger. Great song. Great song. Holy night. It almost feels like you're in a Macy's elevator in the city going up to the men's department. Going up to the 4th floor. Can I get some pips for Christmas? I'll take some pips for Christmas too, but we need to wait here. 5 minutes till the candle closes, and then we have some splaining to do. Okay, Lucy? This is what walking through a Macy's perfume aisle feels like right now. Well, you're walking through the makeup section right now, trying to get to the escalator in the middle to go up to the 4th floor. You definitely don't want to go to B2 because that's where the jail is, right? You get caught stealing from Macy's, you're going to B2.
Oh, by gosh, by golly, it's time for mistletoe.
Top one puts you on a pre-live before putting you on actual live. I am not sure how this works. I saw this show up today. They sent me credentials. I didn't really read any explanations. I just kind of logged in because we had to start the stream. So I'm not really sure what the deal is. The pre-live to the live pre-live. Pre-live. Same level you were looking for cells last night. I was looking for cells up here. We got it. And we saw about 20 pips, 19 pips we saw on stream, and then it took us out of break even, and then it went down. And then after that, at around 5 a.m., I was not awake here. What am I looking for on the new open? Well, we're closing below the range, right? So what I would do is, with this bearish momentum, I'm going to let it come down right now and find the support. Bounce up. And then when we break it, I'll take some sells because this is a 4-hour closure. It's a bearish 4-hour closure. And I would expect some bearish momentum here to the 4-hour support, to the hourly support. We're closing below every range here. Well, for now we are. 3 minutes here. If we close above here, you got to kind of be careful here at 44 or 99.9, 4,500 flat. That's a strong level in both directions. Like if we close above it after pushing down below, grabbing orders below it, there's a chance, right? There's a chance. Oh wait, people at the Zoom door. Let me let everybody in.
It's time for mistletoe and holly, fancy ties and granny's pies and folk.
Hey, Granny's Pies. W. Yeah, there's a chance. If we hold a level here, a smaller time frame level here, we can end up closing back in range on the higher time frame. So if this candle does this and pulls back up, close above there,
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave
it's a me,
a partridge in
a pear tree.
On the second
Right? If we reject there and it's our first break out of the range, I would expect this, and then we're looking for some buys to come back up range. So I want to see if we respect anything or we close below everything. Right now it's pushing down, looking like we're going to re-break the lows, push below everything, which is good for us.
on the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4
This would be a lovely entry here. But these stops, would not be lovely, so we won't take it.
On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings.
4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves.
And a partridge
In a pear tree. You know what? We might end up taking these and using the stops that are across to the left, right? And using these, it's 85. That's 77 pips, man.
and a partridge
In a pear tree.
On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans a swimming,
6 geese a laying,
5 golden rings,
4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves.
and a partridge
In a pear tree.
On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying,
5 golden rings,
4 calling birds,
3 French hens, 2 turtle doves.
and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 pipers piping,
8 maids a milk,
Whoa, what do you say? 9 pipers piping?
swans a swimming,
You ratchet out the box. But not your thing.
4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves.
and a partridge
In a pear tree.
On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 ladies dancing,
9 pipers piping, 8 maids
Okay, we got 10 seconds here.
7 swans a swimming,
6 geese a laying,
5 golden rings,
4 calling birds,
3 French hens,
2 turtle doves.
Oh, we opened up with a bottom wick here.
pear tree. On the 11th day,
The 4 hours closed bearish. I believe this 4 hours is going to need a top wick. I'm going to have a buy limit here. I'm going to use these stops across to the left. You know what sucks? Hold on. I think I can only do max 1 lot. Right? I can't do like a limit. If I do a limit buy 2, are they going to fucking blow my account right now?
and a partridge in
Will it even let me? No, see, it won't even let me. Limit buy 2, it won't let me. Limit buy 1.
drummers drumming,
Yeah, you see, my max is one mini, basically 10 micros. I can't do anything more than 1.
6 geese,
Ain't that a bitch? Yeah,
birds, 3 French hens, 2
we don't want this bullish flip here. But we did make a bottom wick. If we come up, push up here, I'll have a sell stop on the break of the lows. We're gonna need to push up for a top wick now that we have a bottom one. What's the balance? 15 grand on here. Okay.
I'll be home for Christmas. You can plan.
Yeah, that kind of sucks, right? What if I want partials? I got to go to a different chart, but I don't want to trade a different chart. So we're gonna stick it here. And we're gonna stick around here. We're gonna take full profits, and then eventually I'll DM them, or we get rid of this account, and when we get back, then we get back to our normal trading, regularly scheduled trading. This is a nice level. You know, I was looking at this level yesterday. That's so funny. There's no closure there, but it just makes sense because of the fact there's no range on this closure right here, indicating there's no more range to go up to. So this becomes a level, like a resistance level, and then you can say this was a gladiator candle to break you up above there.
Where the love light gleams.
Right? You can say it was like this. This is what broke you up above there, and then this is the support candle right there, and that's the stop. Right? Would have had, what is it, a 67 pip stop here for 75. Jesus, these ranges are massive. This is a 200 pip range right here. Jeez. Okay, good. Let's be patient. Let's see if we can get a resistance formed up here to retest these lows. Things could get interesting. Damn, look at this low, 4,500 flat.
Christmas Eve will find me
Yeah. Wait.
where the love light
You know what I did? I know what you did. I missed it.
I'll be home.
That's right. We had unemployment claims. It was your favorite statistic, gang. It was your statistic, the one you get to be a part of. By the way, drop a like and sub to the channel. Please, 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 please share the stream as well. Please. Help me grow this account. Please. Perfect top wick for the 1 hour and 4 hour? Okay, what are you going to use as a stop? You're at a support area also. You know what I mean? So you either want to find a resistance here. There was a previous support that you could turn into a resistance. There's a more recent support you could turn into a resistance. And it would be amazing if you actually close below here, tap that steeper area and come back down below 4,500. It'll make our drive down to 44.90, 44.88 much easier. But do I expect to break it? Not necessarily.
You've sent for years, not the joyful sound when sleigh bells ring.
Yeah, this could start flipping, breaking lows. I'm going to need a closure below this area, below 44.88. I'm going to need a similar candle to this, just red, right? This candle right here. See that candle? If we can get that candle in here, but red, then we're going to look for this candle right here. Bring us down to the bottom.
Christmas Day
Right? Flip them to hell.
will not bring back the friend you've turned away. So may I suggest the secret of Christmas is not the things you do at Christmas time, but the Christmas things you do all
Yo, what's the next song we got on here?
through.
Him upon a midnight clear. Frank Sinatra. Let's do it. Yo, Frankie.
It came upon the
Hit him with it.
midnight clear, that glory
It's a huge island reversal. Yeah, the Epstein Island reversal.
from angels bending near thee.
By the way, gang, drop a like and sub to the channel. Please.
Their harps of gold,
Thank you very much.
peace on the earth, goodwill to
You're using a one lot on a 50K account. That's big. I'm not going to trade another chart. They're not going to force me to trade another symbol or a different contract. It's either going to work on here or it's not going to work at all. I can't go to MGC, do my breakdown, and then on my live account, turn around on this screen to the right and trade based off MGC. I'm doing my breakdown on GC. So my live account is way more important than the pre-live account. And isn't 50K drawdown that you have? No, technically. So it's 15K, but my daily loss is 20%, right? Which would be $3,000. And my account loss is 60%, so I'd have to lose $8,000 to lose the account. More than half of it. My only issue is the fact that I'm maxed out at one lot, and I just emailed them. I wrote them an email asking them if they can max that out they can put my max contract size at 2 lots. What's the payout rules with the live? I have to make more than 2%. So if I make with 2% is $300, right? If I make anything over $300, I can withdraw the same day. You sure 20% daily loss? For me, there was no daily loss, just 60% max loss. Maybe, I don't know. No, there's definitely a daily loss. I just read on it. I just read the rules in the email. There's a daily loss. There's a max loss. Daily is 20, max is 60. So yeah, it's not, this is great because you're technically getting all the same rules from the 150K, even the drawdown, except you're not at 150K, you're at 15K. But the same, like money-wise, it's the same technically daily loss limit, right? 20% here is like 2% over there, or yeah, or 3%. The only bad thing is, I would say, is that I'm maxed out at one lot or one contract. Live account is scam, but it's the system we have to work with. I mean, in the funding space, yeah, this is the system we work with. I don't think it's a scam. It would be a scam if they told me one thing but gave me another. But they're telling you what they're doing ahead of time, and it's up to you to be like, oh, okay, or be like, nah. And if I was like, oh, okay, then I can't be like right now, nah. Kind of have to be, oh, okay.
And of course, down the road a hill for each
Yeah, for sure. Happy holidays, gang. This is interesting because maybe we get this closure above, right? Maybe then we get this closure below here, just like we spoke, right? And we were able to tap the higher time frame area, break below the lower time frame area, continue with the higher time frame bias, right? After forming a lower time frame structure.
they forget about their worries, and a man becomes a boy once again.
Right? We're coming back up above the range. But remember what I said, usually breakouts like this, we end up back in range. So I believe there's a high chance that we end up back up in range here. But ideally, we do it after retesting the lows and making that decision. So if we're able to kind of do this, push up here, and then eventually bounce down where the candle, well, maybe the 15, right? Maybe the 15 will look like this.
On his ear, on the first snowfall of the winter. Oh, that
Right, but get that 30 actually closing back in range here. I get the 30 looking something like this. We're going to look to retest these lows in following candle. Just like it happened right here. Also, is there still Asian session today? No, there will not be an Asian session today. Markets are closed, banks are closed. It is Christmas Eve. Tonight, I will be Santaing at the crib, and then tomorrow morning there will be more Santaing at the crib.
There was brand new harness for the reindeer, new jingle bells for the sleigh, and they all wished him a Merry Christmas.
Markets close early today. Yes, they do. The markets close at 12:45, I believe, for metals. Let's look.
The North Pole rocked with laughter and applause when the
Metals, Wednesday 24th, 12:45. Opens Friday, 4 p.m., 5 p.m. Is that the close? Thursday, yeah. So it closes and opens at 5. Okay. So yeah, 5 p.m. tomorrow, the market will reopen right here, and we'll be able to trade normally. So tomorrow, Asian session runs, no New York session. Okay? Today, this New York session, but no Asian session tonight. So Christmas Eve, Christmas morning, we're not streaming, but everything else we are. So tomorrow night, gang. Unless you guys want to trade some livestock or corn. Even then. All right, 40 seconds here. Yo, I'm gonna know this song. You know what I need? I need some, like, maybe Carol of the Bells or something. But I need a Trans-Siberian Orchestra. That's what I need. Where are my Trans-Siberians at? Imagine, not trans. Trans-Siberian Orchestra. It's basically an orchestra and DJ Tiesto. That's all it is. What do we have here? Fucking do it. This is a banger. Let's go, gang. Stand up. Everybody stand up. The 15s close no top wick above the range. Can this 15 close back below the range so we can continue on our merry way down here? Or will we break these lows, bounce into here, and re-break that high, at which point we can assume we're going to retest the top of the range here? Let's see what happens. But for now, let's enjoy this. Is that a banger? Did you guys know that's originally a Ukrainian song? The original is Ukrainian, and then the Americans stole it for their Christmas song. But that's originally a Ukrainian song. Like, can we hear? See, it's in Ukrainian. This is the original. This. So, I forgot who. They heard it. They heard the Ukrainians singing it and brought it to the U.S. and made it "Carol of the Bells," but the original was really Ukrainian. Voice sounds weird. I don't know, man. It's been that kind of day. Yes. Sure. Crazy Americans. Made it Carol of the Bells. They made it Carol of the Bells. Fucking lose my mind when I hear Mariah Carey singing. When did she become the fucking... I don't know. When did she become like the default Christmas singer? God damn it, Mariah. Yeah, gang. Sorry, there's no entries here because we've never got that closure. The market just kind of come down here. More waiting. Yo, can we get a Christmas song in here or what? Oh, sorry. My fault.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one
Are you Orthodox Christian? No, I'm Jamaican.
I don't care about the present underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own. More than you could
This is definitely what happens when you walk into a Macy's.
ever wish come true. All I want for Christmas.
So you're a Jew? What's Jamaican?
You,
Jamaican.
yeah.
Me from the beach. Me I never see snow before. He said, what's a Jamaican? Yeah, man. I might shut down the stream for playing Mariah. I feel you. I gotta get rid of her. Yeah. Mariah gotta go, because... Where's the one I saw mommy kissing Santa Claus? Where's that one? Wait, is this all Mariah? No. You can't have all Mariah. It's crazy. I'm going back to fucking Feliz Navidad. We need that. That's what the fuck we need, yo. Hell yeah, there you go. Banger after banger. Jose Feliciano, let's go.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Need some Jew friends, low-key? Bro, I celebrate everything. See, my wife is a Catholic or a Christian. Yeah, Catholic. I don't know. Same religion, half the guilt. But that's what she is. She's a cross lady. I'm a star boy. And we're raising kids who are going to make their own decisions. But we're going to have a tradition in the family of celebrating her holidays, my holidays, and our holidays. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. We not say boom shakalaka. Put it.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y
Felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Oh man, enjoy yourselves, enjoy your life, enjoy your family, and make the most of it, gang. Honestly, every day is a blessing, and I think Christmas teaches us that. Like, I grew up in New York, the Christmas spirit was always high, the kids were always high, and New York is a place when you go to school, it's where the grades are low and the kids are high. But like the Christmas spirit, like whatever it is, maybe the holidays are made up by, governments, by people, whatever it is, but it's the spirit. And if anything that can make your day happier and make you enjoy yourself more, make you enjoy life more, stop and think about how much you really love the very fact that you exist on this planet at this very moment in time around these very people. Anything that reminds you of that is a blessing. And if Christmas or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or New Year's for all of us can remind us of that, then blessings to you, my friends. And it, that's what it does to my kids, right? The holidays, that's what they do to my kids. And man, when there's just something different about a Christmas spirit or holiday spirit, right? That just, like, especially when it comes to kids, where it just reminds you that you grew up too soon, too fast, too quick, and you didn't have enough time to play, to think, to dream when you were a kid. And man, we all need these reminders. We all need these reminders that life is not this, what we do here. This isn't life. This is a brief moment in time while life is happening all around us. So enjoy life. Enjoy every brief moment in time. All right, we need some Christmas music. If they give me a little bit more Mariah, I will like everything is Mariah. No K-pop. My soda pop. I need like Dean Martin. Frank Sinatra. Right? A little hallelujah. I mean, any hallelujah in here? Alexandra Burke. What is that? All right, let's try it out. Let's see. All right, let's do it. I can rock with this right now.
I heard there was a secret chord that David played and
It pleased the Lord. All right. 1 minute here for the 30 to close. It looks like we're closing at support. Kind of side by side here, right? Well, you in the Zoom? I got you. Bunch of people at the Zoom door. Nicolas Cage and put that up. I'm just gonna rock with whatever's playing. Play some reggae Christmas music. That should be fun. What's there? Let's look at that. Reggae. Oh man. Stop playing with me. Why is Santa high in the video? Santa's high and got dreadlocks in the video. That's crazy. Santa got them bloodshot eyes. Yo, that's funny. Yo, that's so funny. All right, 30, new top wick, but is it the 30 top wick? Yeah. I got one issue with this. We filled the range here. This entire range down has been filled. Yeah, it's gonna come so tough. If you were gonna be in there, you should be in off the top here, but we have one issue. This candle closed bullish, right? And this candle didn't just come back down in range. This candle basically filled the range already. So as it bounces off this level, you can just start breaking the highs here. Interesting. Yeah, if anything, you need to be off the top wick there. Up here. That was the entry. Good eye. Good eye. I'm over here. I'm busy with reggae music right now. Can't you tell? Anyway. But good eye. I wouldn't be in off this flip. I would be in off the top here, but I would have been in. Yeah. Yeah. Good eye. Good eye. Good eye. Mid candle here is no good because the 15's closed bullish. I'm sorry, the 15, yeah, and the 5's closed bullish. 30's closed bullish. You could be making a bottom wick to come up. So yeah, if you're not in off this level, that's a good sell, man. Can see it. Good eye. Good eye. I wouldn't take it anywhere past this. Yeah, partial. 75% of the position is closed on the flip. The rest is arbitrary. But if we close below here, I will look for more sells. If you're able to see this, there's no entries on the breaks of the lows. There's entries on closures and then breaks of the lows. This was a very good entry. It's a high quality entry. Because even though you filled the range, you've opened up, you're going to need a bottom wick on this candle before a flip. So the way you open up here to this resistance, it gives you a solid stop here, 43 pips. And your entry is this level on the dot, 4,500. 44.99.99. Very good eye. And I didn't notice it at first. I know we need a fake out, but I didn't notice it once we started filling the range. But good eye. This doesn't sound like reggae, but it can rock. Man, it's been such a good mood and a good festive feeling all around here, even though it's 95 degrees and I'm about to go in the pool. Right? There's no snow anywhere in sight. Not 95 degrees, it's around 80, but like after this, Jamaican Christmas song vibes. I don't know. All right, bro. Yeah, why'd you even point this out to me? Tight. Bro, please stop drooling on me. God. I can't hold my hand like normal. Every time he just leans on it. I'm trying to move the mouse. He's... Yo, can I please work? Let me work. Can I work? Is it worth it? Let me work it. What are you doing? What are you doing, bro? Oh, he's pulling me down heavy with his paw right now on purpose. You can't feel it, but damn. Why are you so goofy, bro? Stop being goofy. You're a goofball, bro. Go. They don't like it when you blow on them. You're lucky you're cute, bro. You're lucky you're cute. And there goes. There goes. There goes. There goes. Yeah, I'm not taking any entries until it closes. Entry was here. I didn't see it. That is my fault. How many payouts does Stop One do before they switch to the live, or is it an amount more than frequency? I think it was 5. Just keeps scratching me, keeps hitting me with his paw. He knows he's on camera, so he's hiding. He wants a computer? Yeah, he wants a terminal. What camera I got? This is a Sony something. I don't remember. I don't remember what their like numbers are. Wow, this is a really good entry. I would have given us a nice buffer. Now we wait. Oh, now we still wait. Been a lot of waiting this week. I think I spent like 3 sessions this week not taking a trade, which is in itself is not typical, right? Because we typically don't range like this on Christmas. Last year we were pushing. Last few days before that range, we were pushing. Look at all this shit. All of a sudden we stopped. Gold's closed, I think 12:45 in 2 hours. We'll be here through London close. See if it sets up. We definitely missed one here right now. Well, I definitely did. So funny. There's so many new people that are in here specifically for Christmas, or I don't know, not for Christmas, but just hopped in here like the day or two before Christmas, and it's been a shit show in the markets like this. And we haven't really traded. Took a L yesterday. Took a rare L yesterday. Hey Wix, been a while since I was watched you, only to find out YouTube automatically unsubbed my account. Yo, is that what's been happening? So many people have told me that. I'm telling you, I was in YouTube jail. You still good with Don? Yeah, we still talk. Been a while. Good times. Yo, Cedric, drop a like, sub to the channel, and go get your crew of unsubbed people and tell them, hey, come back. Call me now. Baby, come back. We need everyone back, because it sucks, because like I was stuck on like 26K for like a year and a half, 26K subs. Meanwhile, like every day I'd see like 100 new subs lost. I mean, gained 150 subs lost. I'm like, who the fuck is unsubbing at these rates? How are 100 people unsubbing from value? No way. YouTube on some bullshit. Love you, YouTube. Mirage closing positions and sell on next entry. What do you mean, Mirage? So you'd be at least 50K on it? Me too, bro. Me too. 50, like 70 by now. The way last year, a year and a half was gone. But yeah, if you're new here, drop a like, sub to the channel, and if you just joined us, and if you just subscribed, and if you just joined the Signal channel, give it some time. We haven't done anything in the last few days. It's been really oh wait. Oh. The guy in drawdown, his name is Mirage. Them profits are a mirage right now. If you're in buys right now, you gotta call yourself Mirage TP. I'm sorry, bro. Close the trade. If you're in a sell, if you're in a buy anywhere here, I don't care where you entered. If you just entered, close it. I don't care where you are in this chart. If you're anywhere in a buy, close it. Can you explain the sell entry would have taken? Yeah. So here's the deal. This was such an easy read. I just can't believe I missed it. I don't want to harp on it, keep harping on it, keep stressing on it, because then it's like it's a deep, dark fucking path you can go to. But the 4 hour just closed bearish, right? It's got a wick to fill. You're expecting a top wick on the current 4 hour and a drive down, right? So you want a top wick entry. The market comes up here on the hourly. You get a bullish 15 closure. You've attempted to come up into this range, close back below. The 15 closed above, closed back below. We drew this up with the fake out. Yeah, it filled the entire range here. But as this candle opens, it's gonna need a bottom wick, because the 30 closed bullish here and the 30 support is here. The 30 could have driven up. If it was gonna drive up and stay up there on this candle, it would have stayed up here above 4,500. It didn't. It came back below, which means there wasn't enough orders grabbed. So the candle that's going to open right now is going to give you a bottom wick before coming up here, if it's to come up. If it's going to come down, you just win. But if it's going to come up against you, and you're talking about risk management before getting in a trade and planning it out, and probabilities of the trade coming down, then you say to yourself, all right, This just closed bullish, but back below the range. I need a bottom wick. There's room to come down. The 4-hour closed bearish, made a top wick, right? The previous 4-hour closed bearish made a top wick. On the new one, it needs to come down. The 4-hour support is down there. The hourly has closed bearish. The 15 has faked out back into this range. And as the new 15 opens up here, the new 30 with a top wick, when we just said the 30 is going to need a bottom wick to grab orders, because otherwise this wick would have stayed up here. It just didn't have enough orders to drive up. So this one's going to need to come down and grab orders, right? If it comes down, grabs orders, but never comes back up bullish, great. Look at this. You have a massive runner right now. You're in sick positions, right? 200 pips. But if it does come back up, your TP, your partials right here on the flip are at 35 pips. So we probably would have closed 75% of the position, 35 pips. And we probably would have left the runner here to the bottom of the range, which would have been 109 pips. That would have been it. That would have been the trade. I would not have left anything past this if I'm being realistic. But that would have been it. Everything fell in line here. All the time frames told one narrative. The level played this to the T. The level that we drew at 4,500 way before it ever happened. Right, as this was coming down, this was the area we said that where the market's going to make a decision. It's going to have, this is an area of interest for us, and that's what it did. I missed it. I was talking. We were discussing reggae Christmas music. I'm sorry. That's all me. Also, triple swap fees on Wednesdays. Yeah, if you're selling, you're going to triple your swap fees. You're going to make some money. And it bounced off this already. Yeah, I'm going to have a buy limit in this area. The 1 hour level beneath the 4 hour level, and this is going to give us a stop here to the left at around 70 pips, 72 pips. And if we don't get there, if we bounce off this 4 hour level and the wick doesn't get there, And then no harm, no foul. But if we tap this area, that might have been it. Yeah, the 4 hour might have been it. What my DLL is, it's the $3,000. Yeah, you get rid of this flip, reflip bullish. Yeah, gonna have to be next candle. If we can get some closures here and a bottom wick, I think that's what we'll look at. Is this AI, the music? I've heard like Rihanna, I've heard Ziggy. Can't hear no music.
Righteous blessing from the heavens above. One people, one life, one universal love. No war, no hate, just peace we bring. From the ghetto to the mountains, joy we sing. Sleigh bells ringing with a reggae tone. Bass drum hitting.
It's gotta be AI.
The children smiling with their eyes so wide. Hope be the present we can hide. Yeah. Give thanks for life, for the breath we take, for the love.
That's Rihanna.
And the moves we make. Let the rhythm guide your soul tonight. We celebrate the world in pure delight. Rihanna, Christmas reggae vibes underneath the stars tonight. Feel the love we hold.
Don't tell me I'm the only one listening to music here right now.
Blessings come, blessings rise. Truth and joy.
Can you guys hear this?
Christmas reggae vibe. Christmas reggae vibe. Come together now, don't stay apart. Let the music warm your heart.
Okay.
Rude boy Sana with the sleigh down.
Rude boy Sana with the sleigh bell down. This is.
Sugarcane trees, kids running wild with the sunny up dreams. The ocean sings a carol with a gentle tide. The silent Christmas never felt so right. You take my hand as the fireflies glow. Dance in slow motion in December show. Your smile's the only gift I need tonight. Wrapped in your arms, everything's bright. Stay with me, let the world melt away. In your touch, I can hear the reggae play. Lift me up with the peace you give this Christmas. Moments where we live. Rihanna, Christmas reggae vibes underneath the stars tonight. Feel the love we hold inside. Let it shine across the sky.
Joe Rogan's obsessed with AI. I make AI music.
Hold me close, don't let me go. In this warmth we overflow. Yeah.
All right, I guess. This guy, he just does not leave me alone, bro.
Holiday style, royalty dream. Passing through your town, dropping good vibes all around. From
What are you doing?
to the world so wide, we spreading joy, no need to hide. Turn up the bass, let the speakers cry. Merry Christmas to you and I.
Let the people rise, let the children sing. Gratitude for every little thing. We light the night with the love we bring. It's Christmas reggae echoing. Rihanna Christmas reggae vibes underneath the stars tonight. Feel the love we hold inside. Let it shine across the sky.
Unity, harmony, pure and bright. Bless the world.
All right, come on, bring it in. Bring it in one time for the one time. Let's go, one time. Let's go, high five. Oh, shit. You're heavy. Get off my hair. Look over there. Look. Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Christmas love will grow.
Smile.
Hold me close.
Smile. He's smiling. He's happy. Big mushy. Don't be putting your face on my keyboard, bro. Come here, bro. Let's go. All right, get off. Go on. Get off. Get off, bro. Get. No. I can't do this right now. Get off. Big motherfucker. He's heavy. You're not a baby anymore. Guy. I don't want to be an elf. I want to be a dentist. One time for the one time. Word. Yo, where's my reggae vibes Christmas music? There we go. Three minutes here for this closure. Things might get interesting again.
Snowflakes falling like a sweet parade. Windows glowing with the dreams we made. In every heart a fire burns, warm and true. The bells they jingle, oh they sing tonight. With every step the world feels right. Christmas lights shine bright, bright, bright. Filling the world with love tonight. Oh.
Ready to look for trades and ranges like this? Zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. 4 hours sucked. The 1 hour was a bit clearer. I mean, yeah, you see all these candles printing, but you can still identify the top and the low of the range. And then as you just start zooming in, right? You understand you're moving in between ranges. I start looking for indication of ranges to get cleared out. So I wait for a move like this.
The stars lean near. The laughter echoes fills the chilly air.
Right, you start having all this range. I wait for a move like this. I wait for a move like this. Right, I wait for a move like this. I wait for it to get to support, resistance areas, and give an indication of what it's going to do when we're stuck in between them. Because if a candle respects a level, trust it to be that, right? It respects support, trust it to be support. It respects the resistance. Trust it to be a resistance. Don't think there's anything behind it, like, you know, it's trying to throw you off or like it's lying to you. Yeah, your read could be wrong, but the very simple fact is this candle, you know, right now in 50 seconds, this is a clear support and it's clearly going to close below, right? So I'm going to say support is broken. I don't say resistance is formed yet, right? Support is broken, but then the resistance forms. So I'm gonna trust the candles to do what they're telling me they're gonna do. It's just you have to now read that on multiple time frames and then read that story. They aren't lying to you. You just might not be reading them correctly. Or you might be seeing what you want to see, right? Instead of what they're telling you. Wait for candles to show you its hand clearly. Even the loss yesterday, right? The candle clearly showed its hand. It's just go. We waited for a while for it. Yeah, I'm gonna have a buy limit right here. 4480.5. I'm not gonna get it, huh? Let's see. We need it before the bullish flip. We don't want it after the flip. We want it before the flip right now, off the bottom wick. The idea here is to snipe it. It's not to just be right. The idea is to snipe this area. Will we get it? I don't know. There's a nice level over here. If you see the wick where it bottoms out right there. 1, 2. So that might be the bottom out for the wick. But if we get our level, we're going to absolutely snipe it. Tough. See, now that it flips, it's going to start to form a top wick here on this seller. Might have to delete. A good level across the board here, just didn't get there. The read is easy. You want to snipe it. Yeah, now you can kind of delete this. We'll get our chance. We'll get our chance either back up here or back down here. We'll get our chance here. It just really depends on how fast this happens because we need these candles to play out before the market closes. Right? We really want to get it today. What's interesting here also, this is a 30 level at 96, but that's a 15 level at 45.02. We can probably respect the 30 and tap the 15, right? Because look at the 30. Very interesting. What I like 4477.5. The 100 pip stop, 150 pip stop. That's why I said I'm gonna go off the hourly here. Well, I did. No, I like that level. I had that, and it just didn't get there. No, I had 4470. 70 say yeah. So that's what I said. I was gonna go off the 30. That's what it was, right? I thought it was the hourly, but yeah, I went off the 30 here. It just gave a better stop, right? Overall, within this range. This is the higher likelihood, right? But I was hoping to wick into this area across the board right here at 4470. It's also a 4-hour level previously. It gave a better stop, that wick right there. But the higher probability of a reaction was obviously here on a more recent 4-hour level. I could not do that stop. Where was it? Like the only other stop I could have used was this one to the left, right? Or this wick, but so arbitrary. I just like it should be the range here. It moved 100 pips in 2 minutes, yeah. Give me a second, gang, because this guy licked me and now my fucking hand itches. Oh, coming up here, huh? Hey, we might try the 15 here. Yeah, we will. I have a sell limit here at this area. It's going to be a small stop. What's the level? We're 27017. Limit sell. Less than a 30 pip stop. It's worth it here. Market buy. Oh no, market buy. I stop. Who's drawing on my screen? Oh, maybe we don't get there. Maybe the 30. Damn, that's another 35 pips up there. Yeah, it technically should be this.
Snowflakes dancing in the chilly breeze. Laughter echoes fill.
So the hourly's closed bearish. This would be the break of the previous hourly high, right? Which would at that point you're wrong. Doesn't make sense. So this would be before that break. And off the 15, that's a level where we've come down, right? That's the level we were looking for sells at before. So if you're looking to get in here, it's a very small stop, low risk, high reward. And may the forces of evil become confused on the way to your house, because this is either going to react to your heavy or it's just going to blow straight through it. Okay, so very, very, very simple. I would like to keep the stops a bit higher, but if anything higher, it would be another 30 pips. It would go from 30 to 60. And I don't mind doing that, but not on this funded account, not in this live. That's technically where the stop should be, above this range here to the left. Because last time we came up here, well, you can argue that this candle actually came back, but we'll see. Yeah, we're going to keep recent stops here. 7. We might not get there in the manner that we want, because right, the 30 is a level that's here before that. But as I said, I'm not taking on an 80 pip stop right now. I also don't mind if we fake out here and close back below 44.91.
Snowfall on the beat, baby, come close to me.
Pretty cold, but my heart feel warm every time you're in my arms. I don't need no gift box wrap, no diamonds, no designer tag. Just you dancing
Strong bullish candle. Yeah.
underneath the Christmas tree, baby.
Bearish 1 hour closure. Strong bullish candle. Right. You've tapped the 4 hour level here.
Hold me tight, make my season bright. You're my one wish every night. All I want this Christmas.
But I'm not looking for a drive here. I'm looking for a bounce. So let's see. Damn, bro, you stink. And it's small risk. Don't over leverage. Don't over risk. And 30 pips won't set you back far. But there's massive upside here. The only thing is stop.
Every carol on the radio feels like it's calling your name, you know. So come closer, baby, don't delay. Wrap me up in your love today. Tonight we make our own holiday. Reggae vibes all the way, baby. I don't need no fancy holiday. Just your love to keep the chill away. Hold me tight, make my season bright. You're my one wish every night. All I want this Christmas is your love. Come give me that sweet kind of tender touch. No snow falling could ever be enough. If I don't have you, I'm missing too much. Baby, all I want is you. Bring that Christmas love rhythm through. So meet me under the mistletoe. Rock steady where the warm vibes.
Price might end up reacting on a 30 level. Yeah, I don't think it tops out here. It wouldn't be bad for us. I just don't think it does.
You're the blessing I've been dreaming of. Hold me close till the morning comes. Let's turn December into fun.
It'd be lovely if this could be the top out, right? Because then our entry would be somewhere right here at 44.90 areas, somewhere below the range.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm hoping for.
Maybe we'll get it. We'll see. Because that would be the 15 closes in 3 minutes here. Maybe we get that fake out on the next 15. And 11:30, 11:45 position. If not, I mean, not, then we just wait. It did react off the 30 level. Like, no arguing that. We're playing the song.
Presents wrapped beneath the tree. Whispers warm like melodies. Snowflakes fall like tiny dreams. Magic in the scene. Magic in the scene. Hear the bells, they're calling. Feel the love, it's falling. Christmas lights shine bright, oh bright, dancing colors in the night. Hold me close, it feels so right. This love's our Christmas light. Choir sing, oh harmony,
We're waiting either
peaceful light.
to come up here and tap this area so we can look like this,
We celebrate this
or we're waiting for this closure so we can look like this. Capiche?
Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give a fuck.
Snowflakes falling, soft and slow.
Oh,
Lanterns lighting up the glow. A little laughter, a little cheer. The magic whispers, Christmas near. Hear the bells ring, ding-a-ling. Feel the joy the season brings. Christmas glow, let it flow.
15 is going to close above here. I wonder if it makes a bottom wick and rides up the top of the range. Or does it make a bottom wick, come up here, and then re-break the low? Things will get interesting. Decision making time.
Stars align, candles flicker, red and pine. Children's voices.
Yeah, the 30's open, so you can't really take this bottom wick for a buy on the 15 because that 30 could start heading down. But if it starts heading down, that means with 15 we'll close below, we'll fake out, and then we'll get in. On silver, on trade of 8, we tapped your sell stop perfectly. You mean sell limit? Well, I didn't take 15-minute buys because if you look at the 30, anything here can just be, we can just top out anywhere and continue down, right? To break the low. I know silver tapped it perfectly, but gold's a little more volatile, so let's see if we can hold it as well. They move very similarly though. My signal, no. I just, whatever I do on my terminal, it automatically shows up in the Discord, in the signal channel. That's the bot. The bot just copies what I do into the Discord. And let's see what happens here. About 60 pips away from entry. Wait, where's the music? Rasta Christmas. What ya say?
Santa's got a beanie, not a red hat. Sipping on cocoa where the palm trees are.
Oh, this is some roots reggae here.
Jamming to the rhythm while the sleigh just flies. Santa Rasta vibes, yeah, he's so chill. Bringing joy and reggae down the hill.
What?
Oh, man, can you feel the thrill? Santa Rasta vibes, yeah, he's so chill. Oh, oh, snowflakes melting in the island breeze. Santa's got the ganja scent of pine trees. No chimneys here, just an open door. He leaves the presents on the sandy floor. He's got dreads long as the night. Groovy beats keep it tight. Santa Rasta vibes, yeah, he's so chill. Bringing joy and reggae down the hill.
What?
Oh,
Run it back.
man, can you feel the thrill? Santa Rasta vibes, yeah, he's so chill. Oh,
Well, I'm getting tickets now.
steel drums ringing in the silent night. Dub echoes dancing in the moonlight. Rasta Santa spreading Christmas cheer. One love, one heart every year.
Damn.
You do the dancing, I do the smoking.
That's a banger. This is roots reggae here. I can tell by the vibe, man. Hey, we got more roots. The first song was called Rasta Claus is Coming. Me play no game.
Snow is falling in a Babylon.
Yeah, snow falling in Babylon, that's for sure.
Kingston, sun still shining strong. The streets are lively, fire in the air. Hear the rhythm coming from
That was a banger. I don't know who came up with that shit, but that was a banger.
vibes and cheer. Rasta heart is warm when Christmas time is here. God bless the season. Hear the drum and bass. Spread love and unity in every place. From the hills to the valley, let the good news flow. It's a Rasta Christmas. Watch the herb light grow. One drop rhythm, feed the King of Kings. Peace on earth, the message the angel sings.
Kenny, what's that?
Forget the plastic,
What is that behind you over there?
read in mind. True meaning of the season.
Talking to me?
Yeah, what's that behind you? The glowing thing.
The party sharing the ginger beer. Holding up the Bible,
Stay glowing?
out the fear.
I can't see because, like, the side of my
Oh.
screen here is all dark.
Planting seeds of righteousness.
Kids done hit it.
The white thing is a
Yeah.
door.
No, the other side.
That little blue square is the lion's thing.
Oh, all right. Yeah. That's what I was looking at. That glowing. It looks like it's
It's a
glowing.
Wi-Fi speaker.
Is it?
Yeah. My coworker made it for me.
Nice. You should make a sound bite for it, like we suck again. Just
Yeah.
every time you walk by it, it should just be like, we suck again.
Yeah, they blew it.
They fucking blew it this
Injuries,
year,
all kind
man.
of shit. And they was too conservative all the time in the off season. Oh, we good. Oh, we good. They never want to retool. It's kind of running back. Okay. So we'll see. Meanwhile, I do plan on going to see the Pistons and the Knicks at the Garden in February.
Savage. Yeah, I ain't gonna be in New York.
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot up there. I'm gonna be in Florida too. My
Hey.
best friend's down there now. He's in Fort Lauderdale area.
You let me know. Come down here. We'll go grab a Philip Mignon and drink some champagne.
For sure. He called me yesterday. He just came up today for the holidays, but we go back. I'm gonna shoot down there before it gets warm here. So we're gonna probably like January, February. So shoot down there and hang out.
I got you. Yeah, that'd be nice. Hey, we're waiting on this closure here. There's 6 minutes. This 30 is going to close. We're either going to close respecting this level or we're going to close disrespecting it and below it. So the 15 is either going to close above, 30 closes above, or the 15 fakes out down here. And then we could take some sells to retest the lows. I'm wondering if we could get some kind of celery play to come up here. If we respect this level, get a bottom wick, maybe a break at a high here. You have 20 pips for the advantage point to fill this wick here to the left on the break at a high here. Well, then you have the rest of the range, which is about 65. Personally, I'd rather we fake out here. It'll give us an entry sooner.
Yo, Wix, I gotta run, but I just wanted to say thank you and Merry Christmas to you and your family, man. Thank you for a great year.
Absolutely, Chris. Thank you. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for showing love. And thank you for the well wishes. I will definitely be here tomorrow, and hopefully you guys will be here as well after a great Christmas celebration. And what I mean by a great Christmas celebration don't mean gifts. Just go be with the people you love, with the people that you love making feel good. Right? Like if you enjoy making the person feel good, if you're happy when they smile because of you, that's where you should be. That's where you belong for Christmas. All right. So thank you for being here, and thank you for the well wishes, Chris. Appreciate you.
Facts. Thank you, man.
I'll see you guys.
Have a good day.
Yes. Have a good Christmas. Paulo, bro, enjoy Christmas Eve. I'm gonna call it here after we are done setting up here. Honestly, I've enjoyed the session. Yeah, we missed a small sell here a bit earlier, but overall, good stream, good vibes, right? And just want to get this W before we dip, honestly. It just might take a while. Might take it to the signal channel. Why Don Wo not coming to stream? What are you, the attendance monitor? Bro, high school was 20 years ago. Let it go. Let it go. Buddy will be over here in chat. Yo, you got a hall pass? Let me see a hall pass. I'm messing with you, bro. I gotta troll a little bit. I don't know where Donvo is right now, but I wish him the merriest of Christmases. I mean, what can he really be doing, you know? You know? Rolling through Brampton and fucking sipping maple syrup. What else do Canadians do? Oh, poutine. You guys have poutine and orange julep. That's what you guys have. Orange julep, yeah. It's your shit. Oh, and you have a Tim Hortons. That's it. Tim Hortons, and that's it. Do you see a cup and handle on the 1 and 5? You know what? Maybe it is time to end the stream. Maybe it is time to end the stream. Buddy just hit me with a cup and handle. Got a little PTSD, just got like life flashed before my eyes. I honestly don't know what a cup and handle is. I'm guessing it's something in the markets that looks like a cup and handle. And I honestly, I don't really trade the 1 and 5. I can refer to it very rarely, so I don't care what I see on the 1 and 5, because in 1 minute or in 5 minutes, it will change. There's a candle closure every minute on a minute. Like you can have a buy, you can come up with an analysis, and 30 seconds, you might have been right, but 30 seconds later, it's different already. It's changed now. And then another minute later, it's changed again. Like, no, you can't process shit that quick. Wait, 15, my friend, 30, 4 hour, 1 hour. Just to scalp. You'll lose your fucking mind looking at the 1 minute. I mean, look to it for confirmations. I just, like, yeah, when in doubt, zoom out, and like, you're doing an analysis, you're like, let me get 50 pips, and you're on a 1 minute, and the 1 minute range is 9 pips.
Shine
Yeah, we might be deleting it pretty soon. Depends how we open. A riveting story about two girls that try to defy me. Pretty sure that's not what the movie is. I'm pretty sure that's not the title of the movie. You must be thinking of something else. Quite riveting. Is that limit still valid? Yeah, I'm still holding it. I'm just wondering how valid is the buy stop here, and I want an attempt probably to come back down in range. Yeah, we got some room to fill this wick, and if we're able to tap these supports here and slingshot to break the highs. Don't forget, the hourly's still open, right? The hourly could absolutely still rip down to fill the wick. Will it? I don't know. Look at this. Oh, for my trend line people. You have a trend line here. Look at that. 3 points. This bottom wick might hit your trend line and go up. Might just shop around for the rest of the day. No. I would be. I would be surprised if we end up here. Maybe back in the chop that we started off initially. Okay. Maybe in the next range. I would be very surprised to create a chop here. This is clean range all around. Market doesn't stick around in these areas. You see, it just drives through. There's areas market drives through in clean ranges, and then there's chop. Like there's chop here, but then there's areas it drives through, and the same way it drove through them before, it's going to drive through later. My girl Tori, what about her? You guys are fucking obsessed. Oh man, a lot of sausage. 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 Yeah, is it re-breaking that high? Okay. We got about an hour 15 till the market closes up. I'm looking for this reaction. If we end up blasting back up into range, which we shouldn't, we should be able to see a reaction here, pull back, maybe a bottom wick on the next candle, and then a drive up. But if it pushes through here, I'm going to look to see if the next candle can fake out and close back in range. If it doesn't, then Merry Christmas to everybody, and I'll let it, we'll just kind of let it go. But I do have a sell limit here, very low risk. We're under 30 pips and stops. It's a one lot. That's the max they let me fucking trade here. And may the forces of evil become confused on the way to your house, gang. Bless her, she lovely though. Eddie, váyase.
I see the star shining over the sea, guiding every soul to peace and unity. On this holy day in Zion land, Jah stretch out his mighty hand. Christmas in Zion land, walk together hand in hand.
Merry Cuban Christmas. Merry Christmas from Rasta Santa. The Rasta Santa.
Shake me down, but your love lift us off the ground. So light a candle for the poor tonight. Let the humble shine with the guiding light.
15 close. I'm sorry, 5 close. No bottom, no top wick. This one open with the top wick, no bottom wick.
Raise your voice, let love expand. Christmas in Zion land. Oh, children of Jah, gather round.
Oh, are we in?
Let the ancient
No, we're not in. No, we're in.
drums resound. Reggae heartbeat, shake the ground. Truth and love, we have found. Zion land, oh Zion land. Bless this Christmas, Jah command.
All right. We're in there. And TP should technically be somewhere 99.6. Level we rebroke. All right, I'm gonna move stops to break even here. Let's see if we can hit full TP. This is house money. All right, we got that sniper reaction. We just gotta. Oh no, we missed our TP by a pip. Come back. Yeah, might be a break even here. We just want this reaction. That sucks. Yeah, another B. I just don't want to take the rebreak, right? We sniped it here, and the rebreak is the 4-hour rebreaking its own high. And I'm looking for just this initial reaction, and it usually pumps heavier. How much did we see? 18, 19 again? Yeah, 18 pips, just like yesterday, same thing. We saw 19, 18 pips, then secure. I can't take it. I'm looking just, if you guys understand how how pancakes work here. You're looking for an initial tap and a slingshot to never come back to that area. If you start re-breaking that level, it just gets a little more difficult, especially with this range to the left, and we can push heavy here. So yeah, break even trade. Signals close full? Yes, signals are fully closed. No, when you see how it says 66.7%, but you see under it, it says closed. I don't know why it does that, but right under it, you see it says closed, so it doesn't give a percentage. That's a full position. I don't know. It's been doing. I'm gonna test it again this week. It's been sending out the closure twice. because whenever I have a partial, it sends out that partial closure plus the full closure separately instead of just putting it together. But it's the same closure. You see it. It's -1 pip. That's doesn't move. Break even. I'm gonna reinstall him this week just because for some reason in the last like 2 weeks since the last time we tested it, it started sending out double the position. So it says buy limit and then it says buy limit again instead of, you know, just one buy limit. And then when we close it, it says close, close. And it's not multiple positions because you can't do that in futures. Oh, how right were we about this fucking level? See, this is what we want. We want this initial slingshot, and we don't want it to retest the high that it made. But it tested us. It retested us. See, we don't want this little range. We want boom and a bounce straight down. Typically, you don't get it. Typically, it's like this. You get that level tap right here, and it's a bounce. You know. Right, so we're looking for something like this. Not this level here on the 1 minute, just to show you. But I mean, you can understand why I have a level there. You can see why we take it. The stop is there. We saw about 18 pips. I didn't secure anything again, just like yesterday, because I was expecting a steeper bounce. My bounce level, if you look to the left, you see this wick that bottomed out, the most recent price action, this wick. This is where I was looking to take this, around 97.9, 98 flat. And if you can see, that's also that wick, that previous high that we've had that we broke, right? So I would look for the price to come back to around these areas to make a decision where it drives. Also, it's a possibility to enter again in this area, but we're gonna need a candle to close. Close something like this. I think there's a high likelihood we break up here. You move stop loss too quick. We were up 20 pips. What do I say? Like, if you're up 20 pips and you let that shit come back to negative, you're an asshole. Don't be an asshole. Straight up. Right? It bounced. It gave us a 20 pip bounce. I'm expecting more. Unfortunately, it didn't quite get the securage there. A lot of you are still in that position, right? Some of you got a better entry here by a split pip. If piped and now I'm dipping. Merry Christmas. Yeah, so some of you, a lot of you here actually took dubs, right? And I got to break even. That's fine. Don't forget, I'm also trading one lot, right? I can't close partials on here, right? I'm trading one contract, and a max I'm allowed to trade is one contract. So I was just looking for a little bit more because it's only one contract. There's no partials. I'm always an asshole. That's funny, but like, there's massive amount of value in what we did here today. Even in the trade that I missed, we broke it down, why we would have taken it there, what we should have been looking for, why we should have been ready. And initially it looked like this, right? And there's a reason for that top wick entry that we just broke down. And then there's a reason for the top wick entry right here, and there's a reason we went break even, because look, now you would be an asshole right now. If you didn't go break even, you're an asshole. Absolutely. Because this shit's gonna pump up right now and you're gonna lose. If you didn't go break even, or if you didn't take secure profits already. But yo, we made $6. W. How much is that in percentages for 15 grand? So $15, $150 is a percentage. 15 would be 0.1%, right? So we made 0.05%. That ain't bad. 0.05 of 1%, not 0.05%. Learn something new today. If you go up 20 pips and you let your trade go into negative, you're an asshole. Absolutely. Don't be an asshole. Oh, man. Is it Merry Christmas? No trouble. Yo, how it cannot be Christmas unless we play this song right now. Hold on, gang.
Benny.
No, I'm not dancing with you, Benny.
Santa's got a beanie, not a red hat. Sipping on cocoa,
Benny. Oh, I love you. I love you too. I love you.
Santa Rasta vibes, yeah, so chill. Bringing joy and reggae down the hill. Man, can you feel the thrill? Santa Rasta vibes, yeah, he's so chill. Snowflakes melting in the island breeze. Santa's got the ganja scent of pine trees. No chimneys here, just an open door. He leaves the presents on the sandy floor. He's got dreads, long as the night. Groovy beats, keep it tight. Santa
Can we go play outside?
bringing joy and reggae down the hill. Oh, man, can you feel the thrill? Santa Rasta vibes, yeah, he's so chill.
I stole your Christmas hat. I stole your Christmas hat.
Rasta Santa spreading
I
Christmas
stole your Christmas hat.
not every year.
I'm Santa girl.
Benny over here doing shit. Do you think we could go down more? Yeah, I think we could go down more. I think if we come down here, we might have a nice little opportunity for a buy. Let's see how this closes, because if we get a decent closure, we might have some sells off the onion here. We want the rebreak at a highs here. So if this candle closes with no top wick, aka it's going to close bearish with a bottom wick, no top wick, means it didn't really grab orders up here. And if we can have the next candle line up in such a way where it comes up and grabs orders above this candle with no top wick, which in turn would give this 30 a top. Well, I'm sorry, 30 already has a top wick. The 30, everything's got a top wick. Yeah, you just want to give the market a chance, right? I was going to say it's going to give 30 a top wick and give the market a chance to come up here, but you want to give the market a chance to break back up into this range on a top wick. And if it fails, right, you want to see a top wick into that area like that. Not just the candle that drove you there, but the candle that brings you down. You want it to attempt to come up there. And if it fails and re-breaks lows, that's where we want to be in. So maybe this one can break highs and still close bearish, or the next candle can break this previous, at that point, this will be a previous candle, right? If we can break that high, try to come up here, fail, any break at a lows brings you down. You can't take the wick entry here on the next candle because that's the hourly breaking the previous hourly high. Yeah, that would be the hourly breaking the previous hourly high after closing above the range. So you would need to either close back down in range to look for top wick entries, or you need a break of the lows on the 15 here after making a top wick. Oh, Merry Christmas, everybody. We love our Christmas and the sleigh bells and the chestnuts and the roasting. We do a little roasting. We got the biggest tree they could find. We went to China. We chopped down their tree. We brought the big. Have you seen our tree? The girth. The girth on that baby. Yeah, man, what you say? We went to China. They had nothing but short trees. Little trees for little man. So we went to Africa. We found the biggest fucking tree there is. Those Africans have big trees. Is it me or spreads just increased? They could have. Wait, can we still trade? Oh no, I don't think we can trade anymore. Wait, can we? Yeah, we can still trade. 12:45 as far as I know. Big black tree, I don't know about that. Christmas trees, we are talking about Christmas trees. The guy always dancing. So weird. Tariffs, no tariffs. And they have a Wanza. Wanza. Hope Canada becomes 51. Shit, I hope New Yorkers stop coming to Florida. I'm hoping New Yorkers and Canadians stop coming to Florida. We're full. You fuckers are ruining this experience that I call life by showing up here. Got a dip wicks. Merry Christmas to the chat and see you guys later. Yes, I'm new here. Good impression of that idiot. We do not deserve him. Anyway, yeah, drop a like, sub to the channel, and please share the stream. Oh wait, we had a break even here on stream. I'm sorry. Let's put that into our record. 1B. Benny, don't eat them. It's just a lawnmower. Somebody gonna get it. Alberta wants to separate from Canada. Oh, enjoy that divorce. Remember Brexit? What else? What else? What else? What else? We're gonna watch this hourly through, and I honestly wish you the best Christmas ever. I don't know if whoever celebrates Christmas tonight. Enjoy it. Really enjoy it. Not like go out, party, have fun, but like, man, enjoy it where it matters, where it means something. Hang out here, gang. Oh, people are dip. There might be positions here. There, depending on how this candle closes, honestly. See something. Oh, people at the Zoom door. See, people are still showing up. Really depends on how this candle closes. We might have some positions here. But while we're getting here, we're close to the end of our stream. The whole year has passed. The gym closes soon. Got to get a quick bump in. I don't blame you. All right, then you can go. But before you dip, honestly, Merry Christmas to every single one of you. All of you. My day ones, right? Everyone who's been here through every market, every lesson, every win and loss, right? Merry Christmas to you guys. And to the new faces, you know, the new faces who are just getting started, who are just in the beginning of their journey, right? Who don't even know yet how much this place can change them. Merry Christmas to you guys. Happy holidays. I'm grateful for this community more than I can ever explain behind this microphone. And the consistency, the respect, the growth, the grind, none of this happens without you guys. Whether you've been here since the beginning or you just found us, you're welcome here. We want you here. You're wanted here. So show up, learn, sponge up the value. But more importantly, enjoy today. Hug your people. Really hug your people. Tell them you love them. Reset your mind. And we'll be right back to work soon. Stronger, sharper, more locked in than ever. But nothing changes, just the date on the calendar. Everything else still continues. The work continues. The grind continues. The separation from poverty continues. Much love to you guys. Really enjoy the holidays. Enjoy your family. Merry Christmas. Been rocking with you since 2023. W. Love you, man. Been watching you for 3 years. Amazing. With Don. Oh, wow. Amazing. Place is coming. Peace and love. Yes, yes, yes. Smoking joint. You know what? We got 2 minutes for this candle to close. 2 minutos. And I think after this, I think we'll end it on a little Feliz Navidad, right? Let's enjoy the track here. We're closing back up above, which isn't what I wanted to see. I was really wanting to see a hold of resistance here so it can make our trade a bit simpler and come down here. But if we close above here, it's not as clear cut, and we're probably going to call it until tomorrow evening. Don't forget, we are streaming tomorrow, just not the morning, so not New York. Banks are closed. We'll be streaming Asian session tomorrow once banks open up at 6 p.m. Yes, still holding his long. Holy jumping fucking Jesus, bro. How much drawdown were you in? At least 400 pips. 300 pips. Happy you didn't listen. We celebrate today, and I'm making tamales and have my laptop in the kitchen. Made 300 pips and $1 on one other account. Hey, Mom Bucks, you're killing it. Go get them Robux for the kids. Mirage was down minus 20K. Hey, you know what's good about that? It was all a mirage. It was all a dream. I used to trade 500 stop loss on stream. Now we lounging. No more drawdown. Yeah, it closed above. So you kind of have two options here, right? It makes the top wick, comes down, re-break all the highs. It should pump up a little bit, but you have that previous level, right? That previous resistance you're bumping into here, and it's only 10 pips above it. That's your number one thing. You want to probably close above this level here, above the higher time frame level up here, 4506. Anything within here should be a rejection area. Wouldn't want to trade in here. You want to ride through here because above here, you're coming up to fill the range or back in the higher time frame range. This is a rejection area up and down. So any kind of closure in here is arbitrary. You could come up, you could come back down in range. But if you close above here, right? Close above the hourly levels. You faked out on the higher time frame. You should be retesting the top of the range eventually. Like I said, if you close within here, you don't want to trade. Close above, you want to trade up there. And if you close below, oh, sorry, wrong color. Wrong color! Yeah, if you close back below, then you know what to do. You want to avoid this level, probably get a stronger closure. So usually what happens in this situation, the market doesn't just, the market not going to do this. After this heavy push up, it's not going to all of a sudden do this. So usually if it fakes out over there, if it fakes out here, you'll see a level created. And then after that level is created, so you'll form a support. And after this level is created, you've clearly established a support that you want to break below to come down. All you're looking for is this. Once that closure is here, you're trading down. Break out of lows, and you're merry. That's your current candle stop. But don't forget that none of this shit is going to happen today. The markets are going to close in 35 minutes, and none of this will play out today. Yeah, metals will stop trading 12:45, and according to the CME, and they'll be back tomorrow at 5 p.m., 6 p.m. for us, actually, because we have rollovers and BOP and all that fun stuff. So, yeah. Right. With Media de Guaro. Okay. Feliz Navidad. You know what? Let's get that song in here. And I think we're going to end on it. Zoom gang, Merry Christmas. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow night for Asian session. Signal channel, go enjoy. Last trade of the year was a break even. The two last trades of the year were break even. Hey, third last trade was a win. So we had a win later than we had a loss. So, although it was 15 pips. But yeah, I'm going to call it a session here. I'm going to call it a stream. We'll be back tomorrow evening. Not a big break. Enjoy your Christmas, gang. I love you guys. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for supporting me throughout the year. And may the forces of evil become confused on the way to your house.
Happy holidays. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Ho, ho, ho. And please drop a like, sub to the channel, and please, please, please share this stream. Help me grow this community, help me grow this channel, and help me provide more value by showing up here and recommending this stream. That's our stream. Merry Christmas, everybody. Mods, thank you so much for another great one. Chat, love and wisdom to you all. See you after Jesus' birthday tomorrow night for Asian session. Enjoy your Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh, oh, oh. All right. Merry Christmas, everybody. See you next time. My time here is up. And just like that, another New York session is in the books.